Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel IELTS by Neil. Today we are going to discuss one of the very important type of questions in IELTS reading section, that is, choose the correct ending. So a statement will be given to you in the question and multiple options will be given to you, so you will need to find the most suitable ending for that question. For example, if you read the instructions, it says complete each sentence with the correct endings A to G. So A to G are given here, and write the correct letter A to G in the given boxes. So you have to find the correct ending for all of these questions, question number 31 to 35. So what we have to do is we have to understand this question first, okay? Then we have to look this information in the text, which is this all text, okay? And after reading this information, few sentences before or few sentences after, you will come to know that what this information is relating to. So according to that, you have to find the correct option out of A to G, which are given here, okay? So let's begin without any further delay. Our first question is employees whose values match those of their employers are more likely to. Means employees whose values match to their employers are more likely to do something. Like, we have to find this one, okay? So let's see in the paragraph is mentioned. Let's start from the first paragraph, from here, innovation. So if you quickly scan the first paragraph, I could not find anything about employee or employer, okay, and neither the synonyms, okay? So there's nothing in the first paragraph. Moving on to the second one from here. Okay, I found something here. See this line here? So it says research, read from here. Research show that the fit between an employee's value and a company's value makes a difference to what contribution they make and whether 2 years after they join they are still at the company. So these lines actually telling us that if the values of employees and the company or employers actually fit with each other, this could have a good influence on whether the employee will stay in the company or will not stay in the company, okay? So let's try to find the correct ending. So if you look at the number A, take chances. So do you think we relate to the information we just read in the paragraph? It's a no. Number B, share their ideas. No. Become competitive. There's no competitive being talked about. Get promotion. There's no promotion which was mentioned, okay? Avoid risk. No risk was mentioned in the paragraph. Ignore their duties. There was no ignorance of anything. Remain in their jobs. Okay, this could be the answer because see, it says a fit between an employee's value and a company's value makes a difference to what contribution they make and whether 2 years after they join they are still at the company. Means they will remain there, okay? So if the employee's values and the employer's value fit together, it means that the employee will remain in their jobs, okay? So this is what the correct ending for the first one. Now first one is taken, so we'll just put a line here, okay? Let's move on to the next one. That is, at times of change people tend to. At times of change people tend to. So let's see where they're talking about change. So let's start from the beginning again. In the first paragraph, do you find anything related to change or people changing somewhere? No, I could not find anything in the paragraph 1, number 2, Robert Cuddy, professor, studies at Harvard Business. No, I could not find in the second paragraph. Number 3, from here, one of the most. I could not find until here. So, yep, I could not find anything. And next one is the values. Okay, from here, fit matters. Okay, I found something here. Process of change under pressure. Okay, it says the value fit matters, says Cialdini, because innovation is in part a process of change, and under that pressure we as a species behave differently. So means under the process of change, under the pressure we behave differently. When things change, we are hardwired to play it safe. So when things change, we want to play it safe. Okay, so this is the ending for this change process here. So let's go back to the endings and let's find out. Number A, take chances. So do you think the change at the change of time at the time of change we take chances? No, because they are saying at the time of change we are hardwired to play it safe. So we're playing safe, we're not taking chances. Number B, share their ideas. No, it's not that. Becoming competitive. No. Get promotion. No. Avoid risk. Yes, play it safe means avoid risk. And if you read the next one, ignore their duties. That's definitely not. So the correct answer is E, avoid risk. Okay, so this E is done. So this is how we have to do. Choose the correct endings. Okay, let's do the next question. That is, if people are aware of what they might lose, they will often. This one here. So if the people are aware of what they might lose. Let's go back to the paragraph. I could not find, I read it twice, the first 3 paragraphs. I could not find anything related to people and losing something. So if we start from the paragraph 4, the value fits. Okay, see here. Study shows that we invariably take more gambles when threatened with a loss than we offer a reward. Means whenever we are threatened with a loss, whenever we get scared of losing something, we take more gambles. Okay, so if you go back to the headings, number A, take chances. So do you think it's correct? Because it says if the people are aware of what they might lose, they will often take chances. Yes, because here it's saying invariably take more gambles. Gambles means chances, okay, when threatened with a loss. So the correct answer would be A, but still we should go through all the remaining options. Share their ideas. No. Become competitive. No. Get promotion. No. E is taken. Ignore their duties. No, it's not talking about that. And G is already taken. Okay, so the correct answer is A. Okay, so let's put a line on the A that is already taken. Now, coming on to the next question, that is 34. People working under a dominant boss are liable to. So we have to find dominant boss and liable to. So we did not find anything about the dominant boss or anything like the first 4 paragraphs. Okay, we have read the 4 paragraphs already. So let's start from the 5th one. Dominant boss are people liable to. There's no boss, there's no employed, nothing written. Okay, let's do the next paragraph. Nothing here. Let's check the next paragraph. Okay, nothing here. Let's check the next paragraph. So if you look at this paragraph, we found something. Flight captain wrongly had decision. Workplace where the leader is overbearing. Leader is overbearing means leader is dominant, or the boss is dominant. Okay, so if you read the information, it says this behavior is not, he says, unique to air travel, but can happen in any workplace where the leader is overbearing. So what is the behavior? If you read the lines before that, he calls it captainism because he says crew member of multi-pilot aircraft exhibit some deadly passivity when the flight captain makes clearly wrong-headed decisions. And after that, this behavior is not, he says, unique to air travel, but can happen in any workplace where the leader is overbearing. So these lines actually tell us the fact that people working under an overbearing or dominant leader or boss tend to take more passive decision or action. If you look at the endings, A is already taken, and B is share their ideas. No. Become competitive. No, they're not talking about competitive. Get promotion. No. Ignore their duties. This could be the answer. Because people become more passive, or people take passive actions. Okay, so this one's gone now. So I hope you're getting the idea of how to do this. Next one, I would like you to try. So I'm gonna give you 1 minute to try. Okay, the question is, the employees working in organization with few rules are more likely to. So I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to find this one. It's in this paragraph here. Okay, your time's up. I hope you got some answer. Let's see if it's correct or not. So if you'll have a look at the question again, the question saying employees working in an organization with few rules are more likely to, means the employees who are working in a company, in an organization with only very less rules or very few rules, okay, are more likely to. So if you have a look here, a group of designers from whom the only rule was that there were no rules, so means few rules. Okay, this environment encouraged a free interchange of ideas. So the people who were working in a company with only few rules, they were interchanging their ideas, or they were having the environment to interchange the ideas. So if we look at the remaining options, it says share the ideas, becoming competitive, get promotion. So as we all know, the correct one would be number B. So the correct answer for 35 is option B, and that is also taken now. We are only left with this one. This will be for nothing. Okay, so this is how you do choose the correct ending. I hope you have got a better clarity about this, about these type of questions. If you have any questions related to the IELTS preparation, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time. See you next time.